Hey friends, if you wish to change the text density and spacing in Gmail, then please watch this video. Now we have a lot of emails here and the spacing between them is set. But if you want them closer to see more of them in a page, then I'll tell you what to do. Click on the setting symbol here. Now this is the default one. If you select the comfortable one, it will, I won't say that it will change the spacing, but it will change the layout a little. Just look at this. Okay. So basically, when you select it at comfortable, it will remove the attachments and other unnecessary things. And to access those attachments and all, you will have to open the email. But if you select compact, just see what happens. So all of these emails are way closer and you can see way more emails on the page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.